Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Welcome to the new Rob the Man channel. Well, I'm sorry guys, I was just kidding. So I am doing this video for the Bestop SuperTop. I actually had requests from people to go ahead and show and install a video. My prior video, I was just talking about the advantages and disadvantages of soft top, and people wanted to get a full DIY. So here we go in 3, 2, 1. So like I said, we are installing the Bestop SuperTop truck tube for my short bed Tacoma. It came in through a large box, and what the nice thing is, it's pretty hefty, but the good thing is that it comes via FedEx or UPS. You don't have to use a big freight delivery truck, pay extra money or anything like that. It just comes the normal way. Again, it is pretty big. So here I got Jesse helping me with putting it together. This rail right here, these are the side rails, and that fastener is a little bit snug to put on, but we got it on. So what we did is we went ahead and sized it up all around 4 corners, and then here Jesse's helping me install the rail. We measure around 6 inches, and then in the rear one, I don't remember exactly what it is, but please read the instructions. It will vary because if you have a long bed or a short bed. So because of unfortunate reasons, I don't have the part where I installed the frame, but there was a challenge as far as putting the frame together. It takes a lot of wiggling to get it in, but once you do, you got it in. Putting it on the rails itself is pretty easy. You might want a little bit of help, but it can be a one-man job. You can see me here snapping on the SuperTop to secure on the frame, and you're just going to go around there. Not really much to do, as you can see here. Jesse's helping me over here, so thank you, Jesse. Again, you want to do this on a warm day if possible, so it's a little bit more pliable to put everything on. So the front part, you're going to remove the rail, and you're going to go ahead and slide it through the soft top itself, and then fasten it once you get it all the way through. This took me a little bit to get used to, but I figured it out. Yes, Joanna? No, it's okay. So it says do the back?
Yeah, it says do front and rear corners.
The front and rear corners?
Yeah, front and rear corners.
No, what do you see? What do you want?
Say hi, Daddy.
It says
okay, say hi.
Side rail.
Hi. Mommy.
Just show the people what you did. And now I gotta clean that up. Thank you, Joanna, for your artistic Does it look nice? Oh, you got it right here too. So once that's done, we start to fasten the corners. The rear and the front might take a little bit more work. You can see I'm a little bit struggling right here. So make sure you try to do this on a warm day. Being warm day, it makes everything a little bit more pliable and something to work with. If you're doing it on a cold day, it's going to be a lot harder to work with this material. All right, the next part is putting the side panels on, and I gotta say, you have to have a little bit of skill to get in there. It's not the same as putting on a hoodie or putting on your pants and zipping it up. Just take your time, and then you'll figure it out. Once that is zipped up, you're gonna go ahead and put the bottom fasteners. All right, running the third brake light wire, it takes a little bit of work, not too much, but it does take a little bit of work. So I ran the wire right below the plastic frame rail and the metal part of the bed rail. Once I do that, I'm gonna start feeding it through. You do need to remove the tail light. I have another video how to do that, but it's basically 2 bolts. So here I am, I'm putting on the adhesive backing for the third brake light, and then the other side is just exposed foam so it doesn't rub harshly against the SuperTop. You're gonna work that wiring through the little hole. You might have to cut a little bit more, but you can see the little slash when you do it. And also the screw holes are going to be visible, but again, you might have to open them up just a little bit to get it on. Basically feed it through, put the nuts and bolts on, and then you're all set. Now there's always a challenging part. The challenging part is feeding the wire through the sewn straps that are in the SuperTop. So there aren't any openings in between, so you have to feed it longwise, and it ends up being a little bit challenging, but I was able to do it. Alright, so like I said, positive is this blue wire here, so put that on there. Negative is white with black. So alright guys, everything is up. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know. Truly appreciate all your support. And I want to say thanks for watching. Peace out, guys.